Hello everyone, welcome back to another episode of Editing Basics. In this video, we are going to learn easy and simple steps to become a Canva creator. First step is to open your browser. Now on the search bar, type in Canva creator. Now scroll down a little bit until you see this logo, which is Canva official. Now here in the middle of your screen, you can see this become a creator option. Click on it. Now here you have three different options to become a Canva creator. You can click on templates if you want to create a free or pro templates, and if you want to create elements like icons, videos, photos, you can click on this second option. And the last option is education resources. Here I am choosing this one as an example. Now click on sign up. Now you'll have to fill up this form to become a Canva creator. So type in your information. Now after you fill up all the information on this form, do not forget to click on this box to ensure that you agree to receive other communications from Canva. Now after that, the final step is to click on this submit, and this is it. These are the simple steps that you can follow if you want to become a Canva creator. Thank you for watching this video. I hope this video was helpful to you. Please do like, share and subscribe to our channel, and don't forget to comment down below if you have any queries. Thank you.